updated models for GT Suite. So as you know, we can calculate thermodynamics. You can calculate thermodynamics of screw machines using either SCORG internal thermodynamics or GT Suite thermodynamics. In case of GT Suite, it is possible to calculate expanders, which is not possible with the SCORG calculation. But also in this version here, we have a new models that contain bearing assemblies for both hydrodynamic and rolling element bearings, and losses could be calculated. Models are updated to, first of all, solve some issues that we had previously, but also to extend use of GT Suite. We had a webinar a few months ago about some of these features. So it is possible to calculate two-stage machines with GT Suite based obviously on geometry produced by SCORG, and the optimization features are available. Although for optimization you will need additional license from GT Suite to do that. So there are many new things in GT Suite which I probably didn't mention all, but these are just the main ones.
Does the GT Suite solver need to be on the same PC as SCORG for using?
In principle, it doesn't, because basically GT solver uses inputs from SCORG. So these are files, geom and thermodynamics, and then there are other files which are selected in a parameter through the parameter file. So all of these parameter files and input files are prepared in SCORG. But in principle, it can be calculated. It can be just copied and calculated on a different machine using basically GT solver in a GT solver. So there are two options when you are using GT solver. You can calculate directly from SCORG using GT solver as a basically solver, or you can open a GT solver and calculate everything in there and present your results there. What we can see on the bottom right-hand side diagram. So this is a diagram produced in SCORG based on the results produced by GT Suite when we calculate it directly from SCORG. So in principle, answer is yes. You can just use these files and then calculate GT at your leisure wherever you want.